Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough of a very exciting arrival, a 2021 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. This is actually the first boat we've had on site in the showroom, so let's take a look. See, it's finished in the light blue hull sides with the chrome and silver graphics package. Electric anchor windlass up front with stainless anchor. You can see a very aggressive hull. Keep that sporty feel, but be able to tame the offshore conditions if you wish. Very nicely integrated hard top, and we can see we have the sure shade extended as well. So we're gonna step on board and take a look. You'll notice it is powered by the new Mercury 300 V8 4-stroke Verado outboard, so really an amazing power plant, matches up with this hull perfectly. Amazing performance numbers and very smooth and quiet performance as well. We do have the telescoping boarding ladder and pass through into the cockpit as well. Very nice addition on this model versus the 27 it's replacing. We have the live well integrated into the port quarter, so expands the fishing capability of this boat. You have rod holders integrated into the hardtop as well, and in the gunnels. You'll see the standard dive door, very nice addition to this model as well. See the pull-out handle fully integrated in. Rear-facing seat, another nice addition. Do have freshwater washdown as well as a raw water washdown. See the very nicely laid out and wide open cockpit. And true whaler fashion, really does a nice job integrating the seating. You can see the quality of the stainless struts, the hardware, to reveal a very comfortable seat. Another nice addition to this model, we now have dual in-floor macerated fish boxes. One thing you'll find a lot of manufacturers aren't including these days due to expense and the way the boats are laid out, but you can see fully gasketed and finished hatches and twin fish boxes or coolers in the cockpit. Moving over to the port side, we're going to see the removable table for the cockpit, our fore and aft facing seating. Nice thing about the seating, it's very flexible, so you can lounge aft facing, so you get a full lounger, but our backrest does flip up the other way if you wish to lounge forward facing. We have that as well. Further forward on the port side, we'll see a little storage glove compartment. Very spacious and easily accessible head. It's a vacuum flush head, as well as nice Corian countertop stainless sink. Back to the starboard side, you'll see the addition of the rear-facing seat, refrigerator, but we also have an integrated Kenyon grill as well. Taking a quick peek at the helm, we'll see this boat is equipped with joystick piloting. We can get it with or without, make ease of any docking situation. Also includes autopilot, as well as skyhook to keep you in place if you're getting lines and fenders ready for a fuel dock. Integrated marine electronics, Vessel V4 and Fusion stereo with JL speakers about. Do have a nice host of 12-volt chargers and USB chargers throughout the boat as well. See the windshield does close off, and we have the bow boarding door, or the bow door, which closes to keep the elements out. Taking a peek inside the storage. It's where our table would store. So a large amount of storage accessible from the side of the helm or under the front as well for longer items. Another nice feature, we do have a trash receptacle with removable bucket, that's included. And finishing up in the bow, we'll see a couple of JL speakers, of course additional Fusion head unit chargers. This has the table pedestal installed, however we can lower that, remove it, and you're going to get a full bow filler cushion. Nice freshwater washdown on the bow. And you don't see many anchor compartments that are finished as nicely as this. Fully integrated electric windlass up in the bow with wire remote, and that can be operated from the helm as well. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman from MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-218-1523. So give me a call, stop on down and see this boat in person, or come on down and see the rest of our in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you on the water soon.